Unlock the secret to restaurant-quality salmon at home with this foolproof guide to preparing your Costco find. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, that impressive salmon fillet from Costco. It's a fantastic choice for a healthy, omega-3-rich meal. Start by patting your salmon fillet completely dry with paper towels. This is a crucial step for getting a nice sear and preventing it from steaming. Now, let's season. A simple yet effective combination is salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of paprika for a subtle smokiness and color. Don't be shy. Season both sides generously. For an easy and healthy option, baking is your friend. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Place your seasoned salmon on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Or, if you prefer that delicious smoky char, let's head to the grill. Ensure your grill grates are clean and well-oiled to prevent sticking. For a quick pan-sear, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Bake the salmon for 12-15 minutes. Depending on the thickness of your fillet, it's done when it flakes easily with a fork. For grilling, cook skin side down for about 46 minutes. Then carefully flip and cook for another 34 minutes until cooked through. Pan-sear the salmon skin side down for about 45 minutes until the skin is crispy. Then flip and cook for another 34 minutes until opaque and cooked through. And there you have it, beautifully cooked, flaky salmon ready to be enjoyed. A healthy, flavorful meal made simple. Serve with your favorite sides and a squeeze of fresh lemon for an unforgettable culinary experience.